Hello, Laurie Schmidt from Incentivist. I was calling you because I cannot sleep and I was interested in your travel magazine and I don't have the patience to read. I'm very hurried all the time well, of course, traveling is what I did between my 18th years and 32 years, but now I'm 53 and I'm not so into traveling anymore. And my travel experience was when I was a kid with car holiday with my parents and sister. And then as an adult went to France with a high school friend and I did some camping with the rowing foundation and sailing foundation. And I was a scout. I did scout camps, and when I was 21, I went to